Just showing what the workers have done here. So nice muddy boots all the way down. Those are my shoes. They tripped the breakers but didn't reset them, so that's me resetting the breakers. Can we pick up this mud continues through my entire house. There's a good muddy footprint. Just mud everywhere. It's just a matter if the camera picks it up. Like, you know, look at that. Cool. They left these doors open. I don't know why they were in my bedroom. Sure, whatever. And we come to the bathroom. This is cool. It's something out of the sewage line. Dirt, more dirt. Something out of the sewage line. They were kind enough to use my bath towels to clean up sewage. That's cool. They got some on the wall. Ruined a bath towel. Ruined a bath mat. I don't know what they were doing in there. Yeah. So I left them a note asking them to, please clean up sewage and do not use my bath towels to do it. Yep.